Boom, shall have some cash, man. Devin the doctor represent for Jamaica, worst game of react. Jamaica, worst game of react. Devin the doctor say I baddest thing.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's game here, another reaction. Ooh. Today, guys, we are here with Trapp Gad. Yeah, man, Trapp Gad with Country Dragga. Yes, Country Dragga. Big up yourself, Archer Entertainment. Big up yourself. Country, big up yourself, my G. Big up on yourself. Salute. First time listening to Trapp Gad. So I'm going to jump in the one and see what I go on, man. Let's go, man. Trapp Gad. Country Dragga. Let's go. Music video. Yeah, man.
Country, no we are Jagga from country. No we are Jagga from country.
Country badness. Country richness. Alright.
Me a the manager, me a no amateur. We a do bigger nature. Hack your granddaddy bank, lecture.
Me a the manager, no, me a no amateur. Man I say yo. Him man not just a forward.
Country.
Him a the man. Got my glasses, you know.
Country, no we are Jagga from
country. No we are Jagga from country.
No.
Being edit, big up yourself. Shot by 12, ready? Alright.
Me a the manager, me a no amateur. We a do bigger nature. Hack your granddaddy bank.
Granny chop out. Hack your granddaddy bank. Me tell you plain say yo, me know say yo. I am that person. That's me.
Me a the manager, me a no amateur. We a do bigger nature. Hack
your granddaddy bank.
Lecturer, and you know in that college. Your girl a fit the panic, she blow and she the panic job. We make 2 school in New York, make a college and them.
Yo, hold on, man. What the bumper class I go? Where the man? Hold on, man. Hold on. This bad. Trapp Gad bad. Archer Entertainment. Country. Big up again. Yes, it.
Country. No, we are Jagga from country.
No, we are Jagga from country. No, we are Jagga from country. Ready? Alright.
Me a the manager,
no, me a no amateur.
We a do bigger nature. Hack your
granddaddy bank.
Lecturer, and you know in that class. Your girl a fit the panic, she blow and she the panic.
Alright.
Make 2 school in New York, make a college and the matter than the Parisians, killer than a magician. Tell her pussy stop it cap. We a never copycat. Your girl bumper vans, you know see a clappy clap. Buckle a Hennessy, 2 fat spliff. Jump on the line, be a good man, live.
Class, I'm a tea that you know. I'm a tea that a man in time now, back line and 2 fat spliff and then me get to work. Hello, Miss Jen. I'm still a thief. I'm out here committed criminal activity. Alright, I'm not criminal activities. It's the way of life. Hang up. Hang up your blood clot. Miss Jen, hang up. Hang up.
Country, no we are
Jagga from country. No we are Jagga from country. No we are Jagga from country. Jagga, talk to them, alright. We are the
manager.
We are no amateur.
We are the bigger nature.
Hack your granddaddy bank.
Lecturer, and you know in that college. Your girl a fit the panic, she blow and she the panic job. We make 2 school in New York, make a college. No matter than the Parisians, killer than a magician. Tell her pussy stop it cap. We are never copycat. Your girl bumper vans, you know see a clappy clap. Buckle a Hennessy, 2 fat spliff. Jump on the line, be a good man, live. 2 bad bitch, where I suck off me cocky and a jewel and spit to no too nasty.
Yo, him smart right there say no. Him could have rhyme it back with 2 bad bitch I suck off my dick. Him never said dick, him said cocky. Him chew you off for the rhyme and then catch you back on the rhyme on the next bar. Listen to the party again.
Buckle a Hennessy, 2 fat spliff.
Alright, spliff. Him could have carry on the rhyming scheme there and get to dick and then him boom, but him say cocky. You see me? So him must show you how confident him is with him ability to do that for you. Listen again.
And be a good man, live with 2 bad bitch where I
suck off me
cocky and a jewel and spit to no.
See me? 2 bad bitch where I suck off me cocky and a jewel and spit. Him could have said 2 bad bitch where I suck off me dick and a jewel and spit. It still catch back. But guess what? Him throw you off and then bring it back. Look how
be a good man,
bad.
Live with 2 bad bitch where I suck off me cocky and a jewel and spit to no too nasty. Money stink like cesspool, 1 fix plus 2 yard filled with new dark
pussy class. Money stink like cesspool, 1 fix. If I cesspool leg in your yard, number that problem, you know.
Money stink like cesspool, 1 fix plus 2 yard filled with new dark I just what DM me make 2 dark rich and a goose we are use and skills at them.
Man, see, I just wait them make 2 dog rich and that goes in me I use and skills. So when sneakers I say now. Alright, so test result. Alright, Trapp. Alright, so we say let me get myself off my screen. Because we are analyzing everything, you know. Number 1 at dial, yes. Number 2, 1-800, watch it, yes. Number 3, 3-2-1, vex your fuck. What I say? Out and at them. And then you have number 5, rat trap. Oh, rat trap with the double T. What? Test result. A+, yes. Man, yo, that sneakers are bad. Your sneakers bad, Trapp. Your sneakers bad, me G. Bad. Custom. Alright.
Me just I do it, me not stop. Come on, mother God needs believe. She want cash when the pussy them a pre-see me can't crash. Book scholar please believe it or not.
Bumbo clap. Boca skull. Boca skull at Ripley's, believe it or not. If you don't know what is Ripley's, believe it or not, you don't know what the G say. You don't go do research and believe it or not. Yeah, I used to watch that show religiously.
Cash when the pussy them a pre-see me can't crash. Boca scholar please
believe it or not.
Bag of dirty money we need for start wash. Pressure skull like peas we need for start mash. Alone big breeze no need for car squash. Chop skull and leave the carcass.
Man say alone big breeze, me now fi call squash. Big up squash, man.
Bag of dirty money we need
to wash.
Pressure skull like peas we need for start mash. Alone big breeze no need for car squash. Chop skull and leave the carcass. Country, no we a Dragga from country. Jump on the line man hunting. Have to find something. Call us Pete and no bunting. Money man need and no dumpling. Thief man a culprit. Jump on the leads and a dunceness. Easily need Dragga skull quick. Mills and 100. Do it every week and no monthly. Tease if you tell a real mish from a monkey.
It easy. It easy to tell a real meat from a monkey. It easy to tell a real capper from a bumbuckler actual chopper.
Buckler Hennessy, 2 fat spliff. Jump on the line, be a cool man. Live with 2 bad bitch where I suck off me cocky and a jewel and spit to no too nasty. Money stink like cesspool, 1 fix plus 2 yard filled with new dark shit. I just what me make 2 dog rich and a goose we a use and skills. Damn, me just I do it, me not stop. Come on, mother God needs believe. She want cash when the pussy them a pre-see me can't crash. Boca scholar please believe it or not. Back of dirty money we need for start wash. Pressure skull like peas we need for start mash. Alone big breeze no need for car squash. Chop skull and leave the carcass.
Ready?
Me and the manager, me and no amateur. We are do the granny chap. Hack your granddaddy bank lecturer and you know
in the college.
Your girl fi the panic act she blow when she the panic job. We make 2 scholar New York make a college and the matter than the porridge and skiller than a magician.
Yo the man crack him not take a, the man not inhale and exhale in the brother. The man that said get everything one time. Watch it, listen, brother. The man that ease up, brother. Watch it.
You know in the college, your girl fi the panic act she blow.
Watch it.
We make 2 scholar New York make a college and the matter than the porridge and skiller than a magician. Tell her pussy stop it cap. We are never copycat. Your girl bumper vans. You know see a clappy clap. Back line see 2 fat spliff. Jump on the line be a good man. Live with 2 bad bitch. We are suck up me cocky and a jewel and spit to no too nasty. Money stink like cesspool.
Long fix
plus 2 yard filled with new
dark shit.
I just what me make 2 dog rich and a goose we are use and skills. Country, no we are Dragga
from country. No we are Dragga from country. No we are Dragga from country. No we are Dragga from country. No we are Dragga from country. No we are Dragga from
country. No we are Dragga from country. No we are back line see 2 fat spliff. Jump on the line be a good man live. 2 bad bitch so call me cocky and jewelers. No too nasty. Money stink like cesspool.
Long fix and
2 yard filled with new
dark shit.
And just what me make 2 dog rich and a goes we are use and skills. At them goes we are use skill.
Bumbuckler, bad your bad chap. Bad your bad man say country. No we are Dragga from country. Country hype him attacking no country hype. No we are Dragga from country. And that's how we think that this body of fuck. This body of fuck. I first man is the Trapp Gad. Yo, country Dragga. The claw. What want to say about that one here? Yeah man, at them man. At them bro. This fire bro. This fire. Yo, him play upon words, him similes them, everything was tough, bro. The ad-libs them in the background talk, well mixed down good. Big up on yourself, whole production team, Acha Entertainment, Country, big up on yourself, damn great work, bro. Being, big up yourself also, bro. You see me? Yeah, dog. Everybody who take part in this, bro, big up on yourself, dog. This was delivered. It was delivered, and we get it. I get it. I fuck with it. And like I said, in the reaction, I like him play upon words. I like him play upon words and the ability to him have to jump off of the rhyming scheme and forward back upon the rhyming scheme. Because him never did have to jump off there, so him could have carry on the rhyming scheme, but he must say, yo, no, fuck that boring. More on do something different. And him do it, and him execute it, and it's forward execute. And big word, blood clot. Big words. Let me know one thing, but I want to tag a pin in the comment section below. Go check it out for me. Let me know one thing, alright? I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Big up yourself, Trapp Gad. Peace.
You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do what? Def them.